Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to uninstall extensions in Microsoft Edge. Open Microsoft Edge on your PC. Click on the three dots icon in the top right corner of the window. Select Extensions from the drop-down menu. Extensions window will open. Now click on Manage Extensions. You can find all the installed extensions on this page. To disable an extension, toggle the button next to it to turn it off. To uninstall it, just click the Remove button under it. Click Remove again to confirm. As you can see, the extension has been removed. Similarly, you can remove other extensions. This is how you can uninstall extensions in Microsoft Edge. Thank you for watching.